All right, so this is a test of the MXL CR78. Mic is right here, not directly in front of me, off to the side. Supposedly some miking technique. Uh, but yeah, $37.99 on Amazon. Uh, Figured why not? It's my first MXL mic ever. Before, and you can super sensitive, so you can hear my mouth noises too. I apologize for that. But yeah, first MXL microphone ever. Uh, Caught it on sale, or I don't know if that's the regular price that it was supposed to be. But yeah, untreated room, no furniture really outside of my desk, and some boxes and some random clothing items sitting. Um, Unscripted, obviously. Just mainly so you guys can see or hear the microphone. I have it going into a SSL2 Mark 1, the first version, audio interface with a Mogami 3-foot cable, 4-foot cable. No pop filter, no processing or anything. I don't have the 4K enabled on it. Just this is how the mic sound going into the preamp. It's a little sibilant of the Esses 69 shells by the seashore. So yeah, you can hear the Esses, but I think that's typical of the MXL mics from all of the research I was doing. They're very sibilant, very sensitive to the high frequencies and the S's and the transients. Sorry, I keep having to clear my throat. But plans for the microphone, I don't know. I thought about replacing the capsule with a K47 style capsule. It's a bit more warm. Should tame the high ends. This is pretty much the successor to the MXL 990, and I believe that was a popular modification for it. Just a case of desoldering and soldering two wires, I believe. Yeah. Also have I went on an MXL like research like spree and mic modifications and all that stuff. So I have a V67G Heritage Edition coming, as well as a V250 coming. So two different microphones. The V250 is more, I don't know, not as warm as the 67G, and obviously the 67G is supposed to be warm, vintage sounding, almost I guess has it like a U67 type mic, hence the name. And I have plans on probably replacing the capsules in those two. Not sure, but we'll see. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the mic. Probably have it a good 5 to 6 inches away off axis. This is me facing the mic directly. So picks up plosives if you don't have a windscreen. I make music, so I'm probably going to put it inside of this because I don't have any type of room acoustic treatment or anything, and has a pop filter, so that'll help. And also too, I believe that should kind of tame some of the highs. So if this doesn't help, then I may just replace that capsule. Actually, let me see something mid video. I'm gonna force this over it because the hole is small. Anyway, so let's see here. All right, let me see. Okay, so playing it securely in there. Can I go a little lower? I can. The body is straight too. It doesn't like narrow down like this. It's more so like like the capsule, and then just straight down. So yeah, as you can tell, it's a darker sound now. Still kind of sizzly, sibilant, but what can you do? It's a $38 microphone. I don't know what these originally retailed for. I've heard some people say like 150, maybe 200. I'm not entirely sure. Kind of just ran across it by accident. Amazon had, or Marshall Electronics said they had like two left, so I was like, might as well. $37. What the heck? Limited edition. Might as well have it in there. But yeah, this is now me talking to directly, off access, directly, off access, directly. Let me know what y'all think. Just regular talking, no type of processing. And yeah, peace.